Hello children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss in the part of assignment number 25, 7th class chemistry. Our topic is periodic classification. In this assignment total we have 5 questions. Now let us discuss one by one. Our first question is, according to Slater's rule, all electrons in the n-1 shell shield to an extent of, that is 0.85. According to Slater's rule, all electrons in the n-1 shell shield to an extent of 0.85 each. So the answer is third option. It is a direct value. Okay. Next, second question. According to Slater's rule, all electrons n-2 are lower shell shield completely if their contribution is dash each. Okay, here the answer is 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. So the option, second option. Okay, next, come to the third question. The screening constant of 2p3 electron of nitrogen is, the screening constant of 2p3 electron is. So this is the problematic question. Listen, for this we need to write the electronic configuration of nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen, Z is equal to 7, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now group the electronic configuration. Okay, here it is the nth shell, it is the n-1 shell. It is nth shell, it is n-1. Okay, for n-1, what is the value? It is 0.85. Here it is ns and np. ns and np, the value is 0.35. Okay, here we need to calculate the 2p3 electron. Okay, in this 1s orbital, 2 electrons, it is 2s. Next, okay, it is the electronic configuration of nitrogen atom. Okay, here we need to calculate the screening constant of 2p3 electron. In this, this is the 2p3 electron. 2p3 electron. Okay, right. Here screening constant can be represented by the letter sigma. Screening constant, this is equal to, in this first shell, how many electrons? 2 electrons. So 2 into 0.85 plus, here in this 4 electrons we need to take. Okay, here it is the 5th electron. Okay, 5th electron or 2p3 electron that we should left. Okay, here 4 into 0.35. 0.35. Do the calculation. 0.25, 0.85 into 2. Two fives are 10. 2 5s are 10. 0 here 1. 2 8s are 16, 17. 2 0 0 1. 1.70. It is 1.70 plus 0.35 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 1.40. Okay, next 1.70, this is equal to 0. 3.10. Okay, here where is that answer? Here the first option, 3.10. The screening constant of 2p3 electron of nitrogen is 3.10. So the answer is first option. Next, come to the fourth question. The screening constant of 4s2 electron of zinc is. For this we need to write the electronic configuration of zinc atom. Its atomic number is 20. Write its electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 6. Next, 3d10, 4s2, 3d10, 4s2. Okay, now group the valency, group the electronic configuration. Okay, here okay, here it is the ns. Okay, next it is n minus 1, it is n minus 2. Okay, right. Sigma, screening constant sigma, here 4s2. We have to calculate the screening constant of 4s2 electron in this 4s2 electron. S orbital, 2 electrons. So this electron we need to calculate. Okay, sigma is equal to, in this 2 plus 6, total 10 electrons. In this total 10 electrons, 10 into 1. Okay, for n minus 2 it is 1. Okay, plus next in this total how many electrons in the n minus 1? Here 8 here plus 10, 8 plus 10, 18 into 0.85 plus 1 into 0.35. Do the calculation. 10 into 1 is equal to 10 plus 0.85 into 18. 8 5 is a 40. 5, 8, 0, 13, 1, 15, 15.3 plus 0.35. Next, add all the values. 15.3, next 0.35, next 10.0. Okay, here 5, 6, 5, 25.65. So the answer is fourth option. Okay, the screening constant of 4s2 electron of zinc is 25.65. So the option is fourth option. Okay, come to the fifth question. According to Slater's rule, all of the other electrons in the NS-NP group shield the valence electron to an extent of dash each, that is 0.35. It is the direct value. Okay. According to Slater's rule, all of the other electrons in the NS-NP group shield the valence electron to an extent of 0.35 each. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Thank you.